Hi friends and parents. So another Play-Doh video. With this video we are going to do numbers and shapes. So I chose the number 4 because a lot of my friends are 4 and I have a couple more friends that will be turning 4. So let's do the number 4. So we're going to start with start at the top, go little line down, little line across, and big line down. Okay, so before I start, I'm going to get my lines together. So remember I said 2 little lines and 1 big line. So I'm just going to roll them out. And as I said in the other video, parents, you don't have to have these cards. You can draw this out on a piece of paper. You can have them try to trace the numbers with Play-Doh, with chalk, with salt, with sand, anything fun. Just anything fun that'll help them jog their memory. All right. So I believe I'm ready. So I have my big line. I have one little line and another little line. Okay. So we say little line down, little line across, and big line down. Have the number 4, 4. And now let us do shape. So we can do triangle. Triangle. Remember, a triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And so for the triangle, we're going to have 3 lines. And this does not have to be perfect. This is just fun. This is all just fun. So please, it's not a big deal if it's not perfect or if it doesn't look exactly like mine or exactly like an example that you may have, just as long as you and your child are having fun. All right, so this is 1, 2, and 3. There you have your triangle. Have fun.